This is the seventh video of a series of videos that will help hopefully people learn how to analyze information from Twitter or Twitter lists. So starting with the Alltech list provided by Aidan Conley on the top advocates for 2017, we were able to extract that data from Aidan's information, get it into a spreadsheet, clean it up, and then create a list of people that I can import into the audience.com site, and then also bring it into a Google worksheet for some analysis. So the video we're in now is we're going to go back to the audience.com section, and we're going to take that spreadsheet and do a little bit more analysis for a better understanding. So going back to the spreadsheet here, this is the original data from Aidan Conley. I took it to audience.com, uploaded the names, and I got back this spreadsheet, which is data that's been exported through audience.com with their partnership with Twitter to give a lot more information about people. I'm interested in finding out who these people are by using their Twitter name and their description. So I have a script that's going to look at for specific terms. And the terms I'm interested in, I have about 47 terms. Things like agronomy or corn, or am I a blogger? Am I a farmer? Am I interested in science, or am I a scientist? I'm looking for those kinds of things. So using this initial input of terms, I have a Python script. Python is a programming language that is on many different computers, and I use those terms, and I run the spreadsheet through this program, and I get back another spreadsheet that has categorized or classified the people into various things. So here is the spreadsheet now. I have the screen name, and across the top I have all the terms I was looking for from that terms file. And then I've also summarized them at the top here to say how many of the 250 top advocates have say the word beef in it, or farm in it, or more importantly, I was looking for science and scientists. And so there were 13 people who have the word science in either their Twitter name or their description. And so let's go to one of these scientist people. Here's one right here. This person is the Bovediva, or I think it's like bovine diva, but Bovedita. And let's find out who this person is. And we'll see what they had. Oh, let me go to. I'm going to Twitter, and it's Dr. Jude Capper, and yes, she is an animal scientist. So that means when the self-declared description in their Twitter description, they put the word scientist, and I was able to pull that out and look at it. So that's helpful because now I can say if I have questions about animal science, I can send a tweet to Dr. Capper, or I can listen and follow what she's looking at on specific topics. So to summarize, the Twitter names have gone through audience.com and produced a spreadsheet, and then that spreadsheet was run through some code to look for some specific terms, and those terms can help me better understand these Twitter names for the top advocate lists of 2017. Thanks.